Hi, I'm Bill with Zor Outdoor, here on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. Today we're at Chapel Ledges in Ashfield, Massachusetts, trustees of the reservation property. And in this series I'm going to be talking about rock climbing gear. I'm going to talk to you about carabiners. The basic link between pieces of climbing equipment, looks like a link in a chain, has a gate, the spine. This is a D-shaped carabiner. Well, it's D to me, that's D to you. And there's a few other shapes and a lot of different varieties that you might encounter for different uses. This is a pear-shaped carabiner, which also happens to be a locking carabiner, so that there's a way to stop the gate from opening. And this is a screw gate, so that righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, which happens to have a red stripe on it, just in case you need a reminder when it's open. So, screw gate, locking, pear, carabiner. Another variation on locking carabiners is an automatic locking carabiner. This is a twist lock where when I twist this sleeve, it opens up that notch to the nose of the carabiner, allows me to open it. When I let it go, it automatically locks itself. You can't get it open. Some other carabiners and features that you want to know about. This is a carabiner that has no slot here to catch the rope in. So the function of that is a little pin in here that makes it stronger. This is a keyway instead, and so has all the strength and then some actually, but no little notch to get your rope stuck on. This is the same brand of keyway carabiner, but with a bent gate, that if you're lead climbing and needing to clip a rope into this, it works much more quickly than a straight gate carabiner. Just has that little bit more of fussing with it to get the rope in there. So what do you need for climbing to start out with? You need some locking carabiners and you need some plain old D carabiners, and that'll get you started.